Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 23, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 23, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 23, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, October 23, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 23, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.